Come into this video, I would like to take you through how you can create a monetizable professional YouTube channel through a step-by-step guide. What you're supposed to do, you just need to get into your favorite browser. After getting into your favorite browser, I'm assuming you already had a pre-existing Gmail account which you are using to browse. What you're supposed to do, just click above it, then select add an account. So I would recommend instead of inputting a pre-existing account here, just create another new account which you'll be using to host your YouTube account. So you just need to hit create. So what a lot of people do, they do a mistake and they create a Gmail account which is for personal use. But this Gmail account which is for personal use do not allow a lot of adjustment of its domain name. So I would recommend you use for work or for my business. What you need to do, you can use the faster method to create your YouTube account. Though this one you'll be charged a monthly premium of, you'll be making a monthly premium, but you'll be given 14 days for free. But it will be containing a domain which will be containing your company name. But this is not a worry. So even using your Gmail account, you can be able even to attach your company name rather than using your name to create a Gmail account. I can show you the method which you can use to put the domain, but what it will be contain, it will just contain your Gmail account. So you can just hit get a Gmail address which you just create manually. So in case you want the domain name of your Gmail account which you are creating YouTube with to be the name of your channel, instead of inputting your personal name as the first name, you can use the name of the channel which you are creating the YouTube channel for. For instance, when it comes to what we are doing, I want to create a channel named Megex Academy. So I just input Megex Kids. I can use the optional name as Academy. Then we just hit next. Then the date of birth, I can just use mine. So I was born in August 14th to 1. I'll just input my gender. I'm a male. Then I just hit next. So you can see the Gmail account which has been generated here. It contains the name of the YouTube channel which we are creating. Since this will be the actual name of our YouTube channel, which is Megex Kids Academy, since it focuses on creating children content, which is CBC oriented. I just create that. We can use that one. So we can just input a very strong password. Just input a very strong password, hoping you are working together. Then just hit next. So we need to input a recovery number, though here I have a problem since I don't know why my phone is not responding. But we should try if it will respond with this one. Let me see. So I can try and use by another number and see if it will respond. Let me try and use another number, hoping it will not misbehave. But once it will not misbehave, that is because I have created some multiple accounts. That's why I have detecting like there is something fishy. But let me do it and see if we can be able to continue. Let me hit next. This one cannot receive. So scan QR code with your phone or open the camera scan code and tap the link. Let me try. Let me try and scan the code. Let me verify it, then we continue. Just a minute and finish verifying. Let it verify. Just finish verifying. There it will take some time, but yours will be more faster. That's because my phone was off, the number which I have input there. So I just need to enter my recovery address. So what you need to do in case even your phone give you that error, just get into the Google and scan that QR code which is there, and I'll be able to proceed to the next step. So you can just input my recovery address, which is here. Just put my name here, my Gmail, my professional Gmail account. So in case you need to ask me any query, just use this one. So and then click next. It's good to back up your account so that you don't get into problems. So I don't need to add another number. I just skip. That security have been too much. Then I just click next. Then we are heading to our YouTube channel, our newly created YouTube channel. I think everybody should be happy as we are logging into our monetizable YouTube channel. That is how we call it. It is monetizable, and when it comes to the period of monetizing, you do not have any problem. Since a lot of people create personal account, then their YouTube account grows. And when now they come to start monetizing their channel, they start getting into a lot of problems. So something went wrong. I don't know why. Let me click again. And see if the error will be solved. But yours will be efficient since you will not have overused your contact. So what we can do, okay, enter your name. Why? I think I had already agreed. Let me enter it again. Date of birth again, which is here 14th 2001. Gender, I'm a male. Then hit next. So we are just repeating the process. I think it have already created. So what we need to do, we can just go back and log in again. So sometimes these errors occur. So we can just get back into our browser. I think my internet went low. So okay. Then we can add our account. So we just need to come to where we have this icon, then click add account. So we want us now to log in into the newly created YouTube account. So should just enter our email here, which I said we shall use the name of the channel, which is Megex Academy. Megex Kids Academy at gmail.com. Then I'll just click next. So let me click next. So we need to enter our password. So our password was this one. So let me enter it faster. So let us enter our recovery number again. Add the recovery number. So no bank, don't want to do that one. Skip. Let me add the recovery number. 11 828 143. Home address I can skip. Let me skip. So when you get an error like how I experienced it, now we are into the Gmail account. So in order to head into your, so when you finish all that process, now we'll be heading to this interface where you can now be able to, we have already created that Gmail account, which will be hosting our YouTube channel, which is here, which is Hi Megex Kids. So you can notice that the domain name is the name of my company or my YouTube channel. So in order to log into the YouTube channel, I can just click here where we have Google Apps and then head into YouTube. And now I'll show you how you can customize your YouTube channel. So you can notice when you now log in into your YouTube, you notice it will be like this. So what you're supposed to do, first thing, you can click create. Then you can come here. And then when you come here, what you need to do, you just need to click view your channel. And now you can start customizing your channel. Let's start customizing it. Continue. So when now we come into the customization of our channel, we need to do some adjustments. What we need to do, in order to create a professional YouTube channel, it must have the following. It must have a logo, it must have a banner, it have an enticing name, and it must have a description, which technically will be telling your viewers what more about your channel. Then you just need to add a watermark, which will be notifying people to subscribe at the end of each video. And let us get started now. So in order to do this, you just need to have a YouTube banner. So I had already created. In case you want me to show you how these banners are being created, I'm very free. You can comment in the comment section. You want to know it, or do we show you how you can do it for free in Canva? So let us upload a YouTube banner. So I had already created it here. So it is here, which is here. Let me name it as it is here, as you can see it. So let us name it as rename it as rename. We can call it a YouTube banner. So we should just write YB, and this is our logo, which I created from scratch. So I just write YouTube logo L. So from there now, let us get started. So we come here and then upload our banner. So you just head to download and then click above the YouTube banner. So you can notice that in the desktop, this is a space which can be shown. View on all device, it is this one. So what does this tell us? We can try and ensure, in case we want, which is viewable on TV, is this space. So we need now to think, who are our audience? And how do we need this name to appear? So we can adjust this name to a space like here. So I'll adjust it afterward, and when I've been demonstrating to you how you create an enticing banner, since this I didn't experiment. So you can see, like in all device, what will be seen, it is just Kids channel, but now the name of the channel is hidden. So view on the desktop, so desktop can show this space, but all device will be showing this space, which is technically good. But I think because these spaces are utilized, we can ensure that name is here rather than hiding this name. But we shall just click it down, and then after this, I shall be creating another video showing you how you can customize this banner to ensure everything is visible. So I need to attach a logo here. So a YouTube logo is technically 98 by 98 pixel. So you just click upload. I already have it here. So even you just need to ensure. So you can see the name Megex is hidden here. So I need to adjust the M to be upper, to be somehow up, so that it can be visible. So, but we shall just put it down for now. Before we do the adjustments. So this is how we customize. So a professional YouTube channel, we have said it must contain a banner, a logo, and then it must contain the name. So you need to choose a name which tells your viewers more about your channel. You can notice, because we created a domain which correlates to the name of our channel, it is already input here. So which we can adjust, maybe it is the caps. We can put M to be in cap. Let me put the M in cap, and then Academy in cap. So I just changed only this one. So I think this handle is good, which is a unique handle, which is Megex Kids Academy is a good handle. So you just need also to create an enticing description, trying to describe to your viewers what more about my channel. So you are creating, so this description must be rhyming with the type of content which you are creating for your viewers. So these have been made very simple nowadays due to the AI. You can generate this description even using AI and attach it here. So I had already created a very enticing description here. So we shall just copy and paste it here. And paste it here. Then what do we need to do again? We need to input a watermark. So what is advantage of a watermark? A watermark make it simple for your viewers to be able to subscribe to your channel. It's just like a reminder. You want to tell them to subscribe to increase your community. So this icon is like an icon, is like this icon. You can get it free from Google. So I had already downloaded a watermark here. Not a watermark, just a video watermark, just symbolizing that this video originates from YouTube. So I already have it here. We can upload it, or I can just show you and then upload it. So I just get into my file explorer. It is here. So I can change his name and name it as YT. Then we can head back to our channel and then click upload. Let us upload it. YT, it is here. So we have adjusted it to this size, which is the size recommended. It is here. And do you know, from there you can give people an email address, like which I want to give you, which is mine, which you can easily be able to communicate to your viewers who don't want to chat you from the comment section, to chat you directly, or for business linking. Maybe in case you get some brothers, so you can just input your name here. So let me input my email address here, my professional email address. Then from there, you can just choose where you want the time when you want this watermark to be visible, either at the end of the video, which is the default settings, or it will show at the entire video, or custom start time. But I recommend we use at the end of the video. And you know, from there now we have created a professional YouTube channel with no further ado. So what the date which I'm remaining with it for you is to show you how you can come up with a YouTube logo and a YouTube banner. And then when you start creating video, I'll be demonstrating to you how you can come up with enticing YouTube thumbnail from scratch without use of any AI tool. Basically, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumb up and also to hit the subscribe button. But before I forget, I'll be creating another video like this, demonstrating to you how you can be able to create this YouTube channel using your phone, either Android or iPhone. So thank you for watching, and may Almighty God bless you. When now you are here, what you're supposed to do before we forget, you need to publish. And when you do that, now your YouTube channel is online. People can see it. When you upload video, people can be able to view them. So the date which I'll be creating the upcoming video to be showing you how you can come up with some enticing YouTube logos and banners. That is what I'll focus with. In case you demand for thumbnail, I'll be ready to give you. Then I'll show you how you can upload videos in YouTube. So you can see when we get to the analytic, you can notice we have not uploaded anything for the last 28 days. We have our logo here. Our YouTube is very beautiful, very beautiful.